how to buy and sell crypto on Bybit using P2P. Well, before we get started, P2P trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from other users, usually with zero fees and various payment methods like bank transfers, PayPal, and more. Bybit acts as an escrow to protect both parties, ensuring smooth transactions. How to buy crypto using P2P on Bybit. First, you want to open the Bybit app and navigate to the P2P trading section. Once you're there on the P2P, now here I'm unable to open it because the Bybit itself is not available in my region, so I'm on the Web3 here. But once you're on the P2P trading section, simply select the cryptocurrency you want to buy like USDT or BTC. Then you want to browse through the list of available offers. Once you find an offer that fits your needs, simply click buy, enter the amount of crypto you want to purchase and confirm the order. Follow the instructions to send payment directly to the seller via the selected payment method. Once you have made the payment, mark the transaction as completed. The crypto will be released to your Bybit wallet after the seller confirms. Similarly, how you can sell it. Go to the P2P trading section and then this time click on sell. You want to choose the crypto you want to sell like USDT or BTC. Set your desired price and payment method or select an existing buy offer that suits you. Once a buyer places an order, wait for them to send the payment to your chosen account. After confirming you have received the payment, release the crypto to the buyer. Now, always double check the payment details before sending or receiving money. Use trusted payment methods and avoid unfamiliar services. Make sure the payment is fully received before releasing any crypto. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.